Hey guys, Steve here from the Cook Family Homestead, and today I am building a bushcraft or a camping stove, about 12 by 12, something you can take apart and pack up easy with you, take into the woods. I did draw out my designs here, if you could see. I did that last night, and I did take the design from one I saw online, kind of modified it a little bit, so I don't want to take full credit for this. But I'm going to build it. I'm building it for my dad, and then after I'm done with it, we're going to take it out in the woods and cook breakfast and see how it works. So, I hope you enjoy this build. All right, hey guys, I am done with the stove, and I want to show you how it comes apart, how it puts together very easy. I made it in 3 pieces, and I wanted it to break down so you could transport it. It's, you know, a few inches thick, not even 3 inches thick, and it's about 1 foot long here. And it's nice because you can have these carry handles here that kind of help you carry it around as well. Now I bought a 6-pack of bungee cords for $3, so I'm using 2 of them, so $1 worth of bungee cords. But let me show you how that comes together. You just pop off your bungee cords there like that. You're gonna have three pieces. You have your cooking surface here, and you're gonna have your two sides. All they do is stand up like that, and where I cut in here, I cut some slots in here, and that slides right on your sides like that. This one slot comes on your side like that as well, and there you go. And you have a nice big area in here, a foot worth of space in here of height to cook. So if you get some logs and you have them stacked up to here, you still got a cooking surface. If you make this too little, the one I actually saw online was probably about that high. The problem with that is you have too hot of a fire, you don't have anywhere you can go. So if you still build a little fire, you still have a little room here to adjust it. So holds a cast iron pan, very easy. And so let's break it back down. I'm just gonna pop your top off. Put the two pieces like that together. This one, I put the top up with the tubing running lengthwise like that. Close it up on there like that. Take a bungee cord, put one end in there. Take your other bungee cord, pop it around, and there you go. Holds it really nice and tight too. It doesn't come out, if you can see. And gives you a couple of little handles there that you can carry it around on. So let's take it out in the woods, give it a try, cook some breakfast, see how this bad boy works. Good morning from the homestead, guys. Beautiful morning, a little chilly, probably about 45 degrees out. Made the coffee pretty strong this morning. But let's go cook some breakfast. Ready to head out and try the new bushcrafts camping stove I made. Let's get it done. Here is a little piece of venison maple sausage from my deer I got last year. Up out here in the woods, gonna get everything cleaned up and put away and packed up, but it worked great. I'm very happy with that. I'm thankful I made it to 12 inches height because it gave it a perfect cooking temperature. So thanks for watching. Gonna pack this up, clean it up a little bit when I get back and give it to my dad, but hey, we really appreciate all you guys supporting our channel. It has been a huge blessing to watch it grow, and we're just thankful that you chose to join us on this journey. So God bless you. Again, thank you for watching. Take care, be safe, and till next time.